Hey folks, this is Nhung, a teacher of the freshman course at the IELTS Workshop, and welcome back to the channel. Looking back, 2020 was a strange year for all of us, right? But fear not, because the lunar 2021 is gonna be here any minute. So today, let's start over with a holiday-themed speaking sample for all of you guys out there, alright? The thing is, TED has always been dubbed as the time for gathering. It is when the nuclear families reunite and form members who might not have seen each other in a long year to finally catch up and reconnect. And at last, it is a time for them to pay respect to their parents and the elderly in the family. But for some reasons, maybe it was the deeply set culture of Vietnam that a gathering goes together with a meal. So the Lunar New Year were in the past and very likely has been a dreadful time for females. The cooking is tedious enough, from shopping for all the groceries and then preparing them and whipping up all the ingredients into a feast, to the dreadful scenes of washing up all the dishes with piles of greasy ceramics that you might have seen in pictures floating on the internet, and not to mention all the drinking and the probable aftermath. However, today, TED is less of a courtesy to your relatives and acquaintances, but more of a chance for you to get closer to your dearest. Some families even skip the traditional TED, in which you stay at home and go from house to give the best wishes to the house owners. They would instead travel together, something so unimaginable in the past, right? I guess having quality time is all that matters. The fathers would go out less, the mothers cook simpler meals, and also a lot fewer of the nosy questions like, when are you getting married, or how much do you earn a month? Of course, the true symbols of TED still stand, such as the lucky money or the huge extended family feast. But I think today TED has been taking its true form, not as a time we fear and also the time that we have to eat a lot, but as a rare get-together to tighten the bond between the family members. Now you've seen how I would execute in the test room. I hope that there was some valuable takeaways from it. So there you have it, a speaking sample Lunar New Year themed. And also in the new year of 2021, I know that a lot of you guys will be having new resolutions for yourself, including plans to change yourself and also study English, and for the IELTS especially. Now, with the slogan of New Year and New Me, the IELTS Workshop channels will be bringing to you a lot of innovative studying methods for the IELTS, so we hope that you are going to enjoy them. So now, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and if you want us to cover any other topics that you have, please comment down below, okay? Once again, I am Nhung, a teacher at the IELTS Workshop, and I hope that with a new year comes a new me. So, Happy New Year!